All right, guys. So, yeah, I haven't seen you guys since. Okay, so I guess 2 days ago, after we had class, had a math meeting, and we're gonna have to give a unit test. So listen carefully. You have to take a unit test next week. People from district came down and said we've got to give this test. Exams are worth 45% of your grade. 45% of your grade. So they kind of told us what we were going to have to test you on, and I haven't gone over some of it. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to kind of like a review of some of the things we've done, like domain and range, and then we're going to go over some new stuff. Keep that phone away, man. No excuses. So we're going to have to go over some stuff that we haven't gone over. So make sure. So here's what I'm trying to tell you. Take really good notes. Make sure they're neat. Make sure you keep them put away, because I let you use the notes on the test. So like if you're like, oh, I'm not sure how to do this problem, you're going to get your notes.
Oh, yeah.
So here's the other weird idea. Here is a weird idea for you. I know we're at Urban, but I'm going to use a 4-letter word. Over the weekend, your notes, 4-letter word. You guys ready? You might want to study.
What?
I can't.
Huh? What?
I can't. Let me play Fortnite.
4-letter word. Study. Yikes. That's a
Isn't study a 5-letter word?
S-T-U-D-Y. D-Y is like one word, one letter. I never passed high school. I got a GED.
I asked you that the other day, and you were like, "No, I went to college. I finished high school."
Well, I did. No, I got a GED, but then after I did that, I got a bachelor's degree from UT.
So you didn't finish high school, but you still went to college.
I got a GED. It's kind of it's like for people who can't finish high school, they get a GED.
Fuck yeah. No. I'm going to get a GED yet.
Dude, don't be stupid.
What?
I said, don't be stupid. Of course you want to get your high school diploma. No, you gotta bring your own. I'm not your mama. Maybe I have a pencil this poor lost soul can borrow. He wants to be rich and famous. They can't really get his pencil. Come on, you got one? Okay. You in my class, man. You gotta be an adult in my class. You forgot to be an adult? Okay. So here's what the first problem is going to look like. So this is note number 1. Today is what is today? 8:30. All right. So take good notes. Do it neatly. Label everything so you know what you're looking at. Study them over the weekend. You can pass this test. 45% of your grade, guys. And I don't change grades for anybody. You have to earn it. Right, Raphael?
Yes, sir. Just to convince this guy about our quiz and bring him up to 20 points.
Convinced about what?
When we're failing.
Yeah, guys, if you fail that last quiz, so listen up. Or you got an 80 and you want to get a 90 or a 95 or whatever. All you got to do is, the link is still open from last week. Go to the website, Easy Learning 77. Click on, let's see, what is this? Geometry? No. Algebra 2, that's right. Yeah, click on Algebra 2. And then go down to last, you'll see it says quiz link. That tells you it's the quiz link. You click on it, it'll bring the quiz up. Do the problems on paper. Show all your work. Give them to Ms. Loya, but you got to bring her a Happy Meal or else she won't grade it. Right?
I forgot your Happy Meal, Loya.
Well, she got your grade. All right. Yeah, so redo it. Show all your work. Do a good job. Give it to Ms. Loya, and she will grade it when you give her a Happy Meal and staple a $20 bill to your work.
Hold on. What? Wait, what? I didn't hear it. I was playing with the keys.
So, get your grades up, guys. All right, so I've got a number line up here. And this is kind of like what you're going to see. So what I'm going to do is, these next couple of days, I'm going to go over problems that look just very much like what's on the test. Not exactly, but very close. So if you take good notes and you, that 4-letter word again, study, then you are, yeah, 6-letter word. I'm sorry.
Boy,
You all right, man? You all right? Okay, good. Okay, so let's say that you're given a problem like this. Can you guys see that? Yeah.
Mister, why don't you change the password this way?
Why what?
That way, like,
I've asked them to. You know what? I know this is annoying the way this is set up. I've asked administration several times to switch the computers around so you're facing this way. And they say they're going to do it someday.
Let's do it.
Probably by 2050 they'll have it done. No, because there's the electrical is kind of complicated and everything. So, but listen. If I complain, they kind of like, oh. But if you guys go down and complain, Miss Armendariz, you can tell her that we'd like to have these switched around. I'll talk to her again today during my break, and I'll tell because really, I mean, this is very inconvenient.
I will talk to her when I go to the bathroom.
She's not in the bathroom. I don't think she's in the bathroom, but maybe, you never know. Okay, so let's say they ask you to write, so they give you a number line like this, they ask you to do the inequality. Okay, so all of these problems when we have inequalities are all going to look like this. You're going to have two little less than signs. Okay, and they'll put like a variable up here. Like, let's say this is variable A. So you're looking at your test. Are you taking things off my desk without permission, Mr. Britton?
Yeah.
Are you taking things off my desk without asking my permission?
No, I left my pencil right there, man.
That looks like the one I had.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about. They don't practice on.
Don't take things off my desk without my permission, please. I don't go to your backpack and get things out, right? Right?
There's a free pencil, so what do you?
Yeah, wait. That's not the point. That's my desk. If you need something, you ask for it. You don't just grab it. Is that clear? Okay.
Oh, so alright.
Yeah, I don't know who that is. You can
That's
never.
what I thought.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So,
Right here,
hello.
right
Good morning.
now.
Okay. So here's the deal. When you take that test, you're going to see a number line kind of like this. It's got a variable there. So let's say it's all multiple choice. I thought they were going to come get you because I put that report on you this morning.
Let's see my thing.
All right. So let's say this is choice A on your test, and they've got variable X. What's wrong with this?
It's an X.
Yeah, it's supposed to be variable X, but they got variable X. So you would say no to this one. Okay. Throw this one out because the variables don't match. Okay, so here's choice B. Again, we're going to have these two little critters. Now you've got the right variable in there, A. And so what I do is I look at my two endpoints. What's my left endpoint?